All employers and all employees need to listen up. If you are yet to use anything AI related, for example, ChatGPT, I'm going to show you something that might shock you. So a lot of recruiters are seeing applications now which have been assisted by the use of AI. But for the smaller employers or for those who are not yet familiar, it can be harder to detect. But I'm going to show you some examples of how people are using it. I'm going to put it on the screen by here. Okay, so first I'm going to go on to chatgpt.com. So I asked it to create a CV for Amy Smith, who's got 15 years experience in HR, who's got a first class degree in human resource management. And there it goes, it's done that. It's crazy in itself, the fact that it can do that for you. Clearly no excuses for a poorly worded CV anymore. This is how people are using it. So now I'm going to go on to Indeed. I'm going to find a job advert for a HR role, HR business partner. Here we go. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say to ChatGPT, cross-reference my CV with the job description to create a cover letter that I can send to an employer. And I'm going to ask it to put in case-specific examples of how my experience is going to meet their desired criteria. And there you will see that it's done it. It's completely made up examples, although they are vague, they might not be true. It's completely made up examples of how I might meet that role. So as I said, professional recruiters probably going to be able to spot this a little bit easier because there are key characteristics that ChatGPT uses. But otherwise, this is why it's so important that interviews conducted, that you delve into their experience, consider a job trial, consider a written assessment or whatever, because even emails that people send now, they stick them into ChatGPT, it rephrases them professionally for them. They send it back. You think, gosh, this person's articulate, they're professional, this is well worded, this is somebody we want on the team, and it might not be representative of their actual skill set. Let me know if you like that, and I'll share some more AI tips and tricks that people are using.